What are you doing, silly? You're making a mess. Your hands are slippery. There you go. Oh. You need your spoon? Good job. You're feeding yourself. Say good. Say mmm. Mmm. Yummy yogurt. Mmm. Oh, goodness. Gonna get some more? Good job. Mmm. Oh, here you go. No, Steven. Now you lost both spoons. What are you gonna do? I'm just gonna play with it now. Oh, good. Oh. Oh my goodness. You ready to go get a bath, mister? Let's go get clean. You wanna go get a bath? Yeah? Bath? What do you think? Oh, don't drop the bowl. Oh, good, okay. No, we're not gonna get that down. We're gonna clean up now. Look at this big mess you made. Can you clap for mommy? Good job. High five? High five. No high five. Clap. Good boy. High five. Good job.